One of the most overlooked safety features of any vehicle is headlights and wiper blades. If your headlight is out, replace it. Use the best headlight you can. Whether it's an HID or an LED, it's important to get the best visibility, especially at night. Speaking of visibility, 80% of your driving decisions are based on visibility, and that's why wiper blades are so important. Now, I took this wiper blade off of a friend's car. Yeah, I collect wiper blades. Can you see how bad that is? How in the world are you going to see with a wiper blade that's literally falling off the blade itself? You're not. Throw those out. When you're looking for new blades, don't cut corners. Buy the best blade on the market. These are the Trico Titans. They're brand new. They last 3 times longer. They're an all-weather blade, so you're not changing blades for summer and winter. And on this Mini, we just put brand new Trico wiper blades on it, and there is a huge difference, especially when we have rain in the spring. I have to say, it was a good investment, and you want to make sure to make your visibility as clear as possible.